European car sales crash, Tesla's market share in trouble. Breaking news. European car sales have plummeted, and Tesla is feeling the heat. The latest reports show a significant drop in car purchases across the continent, raising concerns about the future of the auto industry. Tesla, once the leader in e-sales, is losing ground as competition intensifies. But is this a temporary slowdown, or are we witnessing the decline of Tesla's dominance in Europe? In today's video, we'll break down what's causing this drop in car sales, why Tesla's numbers are falling, and what it means for the future of the EV market. Let's dive in. The European car market is in decline. What's happening? According to the latest data, car sales in Europe have dropped by more than 10% in the last quarter alone. This marks one of the biggest declines in the past 5 years, and experts are warning that things could get worse before they get better. So, what's driving this downturn? Rising interest rates. High borrowing costs have made car loans more expensive, discouraging consumers from making big purchases. Inflation and economic uncertainty. Households are prioritizing essential expenses over big-ticket items like cars. Desaturation in the EV market. The initial rush for electric vehicles has slowed, and consumers are now more selective with their purchases. But Tesla's decline stands out the most. Why is the EV giant struggling in Europe? Tesla's market share drops. Why? Tesla has been the leader in the European EV market for years, but recent reports show a sharp decline in sales. Tesla's deliveries have fallen by more than 15% in Europe, its biggest drop in recent history. In some key markets, like Germany and France, Tesla's sales have dropped by over 20%. So, what's going wrong? Increased competition. European automakers like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes have launched new EV models, offering better pricing, incentives, and features. Incentive reductions. Several European countries have cut back on EV subsidies, making Tesla's cars more expensive for buyers. Affordability issues. Tesla's recent price hikes have made its cars less competitive compared to other brands that are launching cheaper alternatives. Brand fatigue. Tesla has dominated the EV space for years, but now customers are exploring other options from new competitors like BYD and Hyundai. With sales declining and competition heating up, can Tesla recover, or is it losing its grip on the European market? What are industry experts saying? Tesla executives remain confident. We are facing temporary challenges, but long-term demand for Tesla vehicles remains strong. Automotive analysts disagree. Tesla's lead is slipping. The company needs to adapt quickly or risk falling behind European automakers. European car makers see an opportunity. The EV market is maturing, and Tesla is no longer the only option. We are seeing growing demand for alternative brands. Clearly, opinions are split. But what does this mean for you as a consumer or investor? How does this affect the car market? For car buyers, more competition means better deals and more choices for consumers looking to buy an EV tool. However, higher financing costs might delay purchases for many people. For investors, Tesla's falling market share could impact its stock price, while European car makers might gain momentum. Is now the time to rethink Tesla investments? For auto industry employees, if Tesla continues to struggle in Europe, will it cut jobs or restructure operations? The impact on workers could be significant. What happens next? Tesla will need to adjust its pricing strategy to remain competitive. European automakers are gaining ground, and Tesla will need to innovate quickly to keep up. The entire EV market is shifting. Are we entering a new era where Tesla is no longer the dominant force? So, the real question is, final thoughts, is Tesla in trouble? Is this just a temporary slowdown, or is Tesla losing its dominance in Europe? Can Tesla adapt and lower prices, or will European brands take over the EV market? We want to hear from you. Is Tesla still the best EV brand, or do you see better options in the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Will Tesla bounce back, or is this the beginning of its decline? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big market update. Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay prepared for what's next.